So here I got a query, like I was listening to a video by Ben and heard him mention about changing out ad creative once a week. One campaign that was doing good but began to plummet. So just looking for insights on this and if I am understanding it correctly. Okay, for those who don't know, actually the question is regarding FB ads. Let me be very clear on this. Facebook, or you can say Meta ads. Okay. Uh, Ideally, it's good to change your ad creatives once in a while. Changing your ad creatives can increase your engagement, and your audience, will eventually get bored after seeing the same ad. So coming up with something new is a really good idea to grab their attention again. But the question is how frequent you should do it. Okay, so now Ben is saying that ad creative once a week is a good strategy. Okay, I don't know who is the Ben is, so probably must be a famous digital marketer. And okay, now coming back on the topic on when you should do it. Probably I say that, or what we do with the clients is we try to focus on theme based events. Halloween is over there, Cyber Monday is over there, Summers is over here. So new creatives, new ads with season change and every other thing. So this formula works well, and I also emphasize on creating deals and discounts. Like changing ads combo with a specific deals and discounts is going to make things even better. Like changing creatives plus coming out with new deals every time is a better marketing strategy, and can grab more customers. But again, there is also one negative aspect, let me discuss, and that is like changing ad creatives does not necessarily mean that you are going to witness more conversions, more engagement. Okay, you created a new ad creative doesn't mean that people actually like it, or people like it much more than the last one. So marketing is all about testing and testing. I recommend to do A/B testing. That is a good strategy. But changing ads every week is a quite speed thing, a quite frequent thing. It's a very small time. I recommend to go with 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month. So my personal recommendation is that 1 week is a very short span, unless and until you are spending even with millions of dollars of budget. Feel that people need to see that ad again and again. So 1 week again, I do like the idea of changing ad creatives just in a week. So my suggestions would be to change it within 3 weeks, or preferably after a month is a better strategy. So change it after a month or so, or focus on theme based events and create ad creatives accordingly, and that can be a better strategy for marketing on Facebook. So I hope you like my answer, and make sure to subscribe to this channel once again. Thank you for watching this video. In case if you want me to answer any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.